What's up, guys? Hopefully you're alright. What we say? Oh no, you'll be alright, trust me, mate. I promise you. Right, let's talk about YouTube shortcut and how to upload in video in full quality. Really, I've been searching like how to upload. What happened actually? I was uploading video, YouTube shortcut, and then after like I was uploading one, two, three, four, five video, and then I realized it, the quality like for 400p, like a really low quality. I was thinking, okay, what's going on here? I was recording in 4K, then I'm uploading the YouTube shortcut, and it just like this. So I was not happy with that quality. Then I start searching on Google like how to increase that quality. And most of the people saying like, oh, you have to do editing Adobe Premiere Pro or kind of this program, and then you can, when you saving, you can pick which one you want quality. I was thinking, bloody hell, if you don't have that one, so we're going to do them. And then actually I found answer in the YouTube helping service. Really is so easy. So what we got here, we got YouTube Studio and YouTube app to watching. So what we're going to YouTube, click on YouTube, then on the right corner on the top you can see the picture of your channel, click that one. Then on the bottom you can see setting, click on that setting. Next one, you're going to upload. On the bottom you see here upload, and then click upload quality, and here we go, guys. Now you can pick which one you want. So I'm changing it for full quality, and then also I was changing here, I'm not sure they are needed, but I was changing also here. I will change it here, highest picture quality and higher pictures quality, and that's it, guys. Done. That's what we need. Really easy. All right, subscribe for more, guys.